we get you some big breaking news at this point in time. As far as the opposition leaders are concerned, they are meeting on the women reservation bill, and this is a crucial meeting before the special parliament session for discussion on the bill. It is being held at the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence, and Rahul Gandhi is also in attendance. Those present include Sanjay Raut, T.R. Balu, Jairam Ramesh, K.C. Vadugopal, Kapil Sibal, Sanjay Singh, Sagarika Ghosh, Tejasvi Yadav and Omar Abdullah. A short while ago, K.C. Vadugopal had tweeted saying that the government's delimitation move is dangerous and comes with grave concerns about its impact on India's democratic setup, especially the federal framework, giving states a fair share of power at the centre. We convened to arrive at a joint opposition strategy for the upcoming session. And to discuss the women reservation bill right now, I'm being joined by a very interesting guest. She is Ms. Jyoti Yadav, who is an entrepreneur, founder, director at the Heart of Art, Wedding Glanza and Film Expo India. Ms. Yadav, good evening. Thank you for taking your time and joining me over here. I want to begin by asking you, what do you feel about women reservation? Because you have carved out a niche for yourself in an industry that is heavily dominated by men. Ms. Yadav, I want to ask you, not having the reservation, has it ever impacted your own career growth, your own story?
Definitely, it was the time when, as a woman, I was supposed to explore some areas, and I have even found that still there are places where women are have to push herself, and they are called like the divas. If suppose we get something in advance, so the seats or the booking or the place that we reserves or we feel like we deserve is considered as key since we are women. So that's why we are being provided to go. That feeling always comes into when we are like moving ahead in this all sectors. There are number of sectors, like suppose I am in the sector of art, entertainment and films and all. So definitely there are many places where we have to like explain ourselves that why we are as a woman, how we are doing the things ahead, taking the things ahead.
Absolutely. But as far as barriers for women is concerned, do you feel that can be mitigated with reservation? And also, if you can talk about what are the barriers that the reservation cannot fix, which essentially is societal in nature, and that requires way more work from within the society and also from the government's end?
Definitely. See, when we are as an entrepreneur, whenever we are into the field, whenever we are working with the hands in hands with the male, with the female, male society, and we are working shoulder to shoulder with the male society. We, as a woman, are always. It's not like as a woman we are being present over here. We are talented enough to hold those positions where we are sitting, but definitely such privilege is not being honored or provided by or being facilitated by every woman. So in such places where there is some lack, where the woman needs support, so such bills are definitely going to help a lot in taking the woman ahead in in many fields which are yet to be explored. So definitely when government takes such move of bringing more reservations for the women in different fields, so a maximum women will be getting opportunity to take their career ahead, and they are definitely very much talented. So such bill will support more women to come into those segments which are yet like women are still behind.
Absolutely. And what is your view, Ms. Yadav, on a reservation within reservation as far as the SC/ST quota is concerned? Is that enough for women representation?
Currently, I believe that we need to, it should increase. There
Okay.
are still a number of places where the women are not being considered as the primary role at many places and all positions and all. So definitely the quotas in all the field is necessary to be increased over there, so that maximum women who are lacking behind because maybe because of their segments which are not being like by education wise, by either by their primary roles that they have played in the society. So these quotas may help them in like being coming ahead in the society.
No, over and beyond the parliamentary representation, do you feel there is also need for women reservation within political parties? Because many of these
Yes,
political
definitely,
parties,
definitely.
they are
Because
batting for the women reservation bill. But when it comes
yes,
to handing a ticket to a women candidate, why don't they live up to their expectations?
it's definitely required, because unless until a number of women who are sitting in the chairs which are being provided by the government, the maximum women will be present over there. The maximum women behind them will be getting the opportunity. If there are 10 women, so I believe that 10 lakh women will be supported. If there are 30 women, 30 lakh women will be behind that. So the number of seats in within the parliament will keep on if it increases in the women, so the support behind these women, the people who are depending on these leaders, the number will also increase. So definitely, see, if suppose a woman is representing any state or any area or any location or any village, the more the women are in this parliament, the more such locations, such villages which are deprived by like we say development and all, maximum support will be getting from their end. And definitely when women are working, so like just like a female work for the family and takes the whole members ahead, when more women are there in the parliament, so it will take the whole family ahead, the whole India
Absolutely.
ahead.